Looking for floral beauty that lasts forever? Say hello to DVFlora's stunning new collection of high-quality artificial flowers, crafted to look real, feel real, and impress every time. One of our most show-stopping pieces, the Phalaenopsis Orchid stem, is an elegant favorite that's 44 inches long and sold by the stem. Whether you're designing a single arrangement or dressing up an entire space, these orchids add instant luxury and height. Right now, you can shop over 45 unique artificial varieties on our website, available for special order. Think roses, peonies, greenery, and more, each handpicked to bring style and durability to your designs. And if you're looking for even more options, we've got you covered. Ask your DV sales rep to unlock access to the full Winward online catalog, featuring one of the most premium selections of permanent botanicals in the industry. Ready to elevate your floral game? Browse our artificial flower selection at dvflora.com or reach out to your sales associate to start special ordering today. With DVFlora, your creativity has no limits, real or faux.